Coming up right around noon on this Friday, it's very rainy, very windy. You might be surprised how many power outages we're seeing right now. Let me show you. So this is the Eversource outage map, and as you can see, when there's widespread wind across the state, we're having widespread outages, although they do appear to be concentrated in eastern Connecticut the most. Looking at raw numbers right now, again, just before noon, 28,000 customers, Eversource customers. That works out to about 2% of the total customer base. Clinton and Madison are seeing the most outages by numbers with over 2,500 and 2,300 apiece. That works out to a third of the town and a quarter of the town. Madison especially, it was one giant outage. If you look down here and we start zooming in, you're gonna see this orange line, and that little orange circle is, that means over 1,000 customers were out, and the cause is tree limbs. That's right there, that's right by the Killingworth border. Killingworth also seeing a lot of outages, in Clinton, not too far away, is seeing some big problems.